so that's the ground. Don't go to that. I was going to that ground. It wasn't working very well. Okay, is that the headlight? That is the headlight.
Okay.
That means that's the ignition. Okay. Headlight is what color?
Black.
Yellow.
Oh, our side? Oh.
Ignition's white. So we do the short one first. So we do white. Alright, that's a local bike, you don't count. You can tell it's a local bike because it's quiet. Hot rod bikes are loud. Alright, so where are we at here? Get interrupted again. Okay, I don't know what I'm working on over here, so we're going to go in like this, pull it out. How are we doing? Ignition, that's this one. Okay, so we're going to cut this one down here somewhere. Is that the spot?
Mm-hmm.
It is now. A fresh area to cut on. Give yourself about 3/8 of an inch. Boom. That's a cheap ass wire. We got big ass wire and nothing in it.
Wow.
Jeez, how's it make believe? It looked like there was something there. Fool me. Okay, that was what, white? That's ignition. Ignition's white. Made a difference.
Mm-hmm. Wow. That's horrible. Jeez.
That looked like good stuff. It's half the size.
Wow.
That's so damn small, we're going to put it under red, I think. Can we do red?
You already have red.
I don't think I can do red on my wire.
Oh, that kind of red.
Yeah, it's kind of making it. There it goes. Yeah, we can do red. Okay, where's this crease at? Can't tell. Crimpers. There's not much to squeeze there. It's got wire stuff in it. It's all wire. A lot of room in this one, though. If you're too close, it doesn't look good either in the video. I'll get back a little bit.
Gotcha.
Get that helicopter shot going on. That's good wire. Uh-oh. What did I do wrong?
The wrong wire to the wrong wire. What did you do wrong?
It's on the outside of the frame.
Oh! Yeah, you sure did. Oh. That was for all of the viewers. Make sure you don't do that.
Yeah, it's supposed to be that way. Oops.
Oops.
I was just checking it. Remember I left that spool over there?
Yes, you did.
I can spool my wire up.
Yep. That's the lesson learned.
Yeah. Less interruption of customers.
You're just popular.
I want you to do it again.
No, don't do it again, Tatro. Good thing is you can always cut it out.
Yeah, there we go. Still didn't want to go back on there, but it did. Yeah, I still can't beat that positive ground I was doing yesterday. That was great.
I gotta watch that. Did you cut it out?
Why would I cut out anything I videotape? Nobody gives a crap what I do.
Oh.
Okay, so now we gotta go. Now it gets a little shorter, so we're going under here. There might have been a couple of dumbasses thrown out there. Lack of qualified mechanics, you know, stuff like that might have been said. Anybody who's streaming us in England. Oh, look at that, it's on the underside this time.
Nice.
How'd that happen?
Mm. Are they all gonna go that way?
No, just the one. We gotta redo the other one twice. Yeah, we gotta do the same thing twice. Yep. Alright, where's the other red one at? Did I put a red one over? I did. I was trying to get away. I swore I brought enough to do the job. The problem is, see, these red ones don't like going on my wire because my wire is full size. There it goes. Gotta get just right and it squeezes in. I cut this one pretty short, so it's hard to get. Can't screw this one up too many more times. Put this on first. What the hell is that racket? You paid for that? Luckily, that's not being caught on the camera.
Good.
I hope. That is terrible. That is. Is it a 3-year-old walking by?
Probably.
Sounds like chipmunk music. Okay, that worked. I got too much yellow here, though. Okay, go ahead and give me a pull on the yellow.
Keep going. Wait.
There.
Oh. Thank you. Pull
Hard
the
to
yellow.
help around here. You doing anything yet?
I'm pulling something.
Are you pulling the whole harness or just the yellow?
I'm trying to pull the yellow, but the whole harness is moving.
I can see the whole harness is coming out of the bike.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
It's not gonna come by itself.
Looks like
More?
looks like they're about equal.
Okay.
All right, we're equal.
Equals good.
Now give me my harness back. Not my harness back. Somebody stole my harness. What'd you do down there?
There you go.
There. Get my harness back up here where it belongs. Now these are too long again.
Shit. Okay, hold the harness while I pull the yellow.
I'm going up here and pull on it.
Okay.
Trade.
Okay. Go ahead.
Another trick. Pull it out. We can get to it. Okay, go.
Okay. More?
Looks good.
Okay.
Okay, this one's got enough to get over here, looks like. So that's good. Run that under the belt. Until it gets to there and it stops. Okay, and right next to this one. I'm going to throw the extra amount down in the oil tank there, so there's a little excess in case something happens. We have a little extra material. We won't have to run it all the way from down there.
Mm-hmm.
That'd be fine. Okay, I got to put a terminal on that end also. All right. We'll do that last because that's the hot part.
Okay.
Okay, so now, to get under here where the circuit breaker is, down there. wire got yanked way up, that's why there's so much over there. Doesn't leave much here. So I'd rather pull some back. Well, that's the other side. Unless you yanked it out the other end.
More interruption. Yep.
What else is coming in the bottom of today?
They're looking over here.
Oh, jeez. You know I'm busy today, leave me alone.
Oh, they kept going. Oh, maybe not.
Good. Some people don't want me to work on their stuff today. Oh yeah, we're gonna put those two down there. With my 3/16 terminal right over here. I've got 1/4 inch. We need two of these 1/4 inch ones though. You know why we need two?
Why?
Alternator wire.
Oh, alternator.
Alternator. Two.
Okay.
My count's all screwed up, see? So we have small ones, intermediate size, and big ass ones. Don't mix them up. I'm working on a schematic too, so I'll have that posted anytime now. Do you believe that?
Am I blinding you?
No, I can't see anyway. The direct light did not blind me. There we go. Make sure I do this right where it's nice and hard to get to. Planning ahead. Okay, all I gotta do is poke that into that hole right there, which I can't see because I'm in a dark hole over here. I think I'm in. Yeah, if not, I'll have to redo it. Oh, oh, oh damn. I'm spinning something. Didn't come out. The black hole. Yeah. See, the light actually makes it worse because I got bright, and then where I'm working, there's a hole about that big. That's black. That's right where I'm trying to see. All right, so we go. We got two wires. So our nut's right up under here. In case you don't know what a circuit breaker looks like. Short stop, good quality one. So that's got the Harley plastic circuit breaker holder in there, so it just pops in and out. You don't have to worry about it falling out. It's good quality.
Okay.
I never remember which one's supposed to be the inlet. Either copper or silver, I never do remember. But I know something. I don't care. It's going to be whichever one is near me. I'm thinking this one's going to be silver. I don't know why they make these posts 5/8 of an inch long for. There's no reason to be that long. Unless you're going to have like 30 wires on there. Didn't know it was a terminal strip. See if it works on the back side where I can't see what I'm doing.
We can.
I'm glad you can, because I can't see squat. But I don't have to see what I'm doing to do it. Okay, so I got those loose, so I can put this up in here and see what I think. I might want to go something different. It's back of an oil tank there, so there's not room to go the other way. The wire's fighting me. So those terminals are not happy with what I'm doing. Alright, so I'm going to do something different with those terminals. through this one a little bit. Push it on the other side. Go with higher. Come on, what's the problem? Geez, that's tight. There we go. Oh, look at that. Fits a lot easier now. Boop. This one. There we go. Put that one that way, that one that way. Looks good, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Now you gotta tighten them up somehow. How you gonna do that?
How are you going to do that, Tatro?
Carefully.